A little bit of an update on the ducks. We just got through an unusual warm spell with Christmas. Yeah. So we finally have blue sky. I feel like it's been forever. Finally got blue sky though. Let's do that. Are all the babies in here?
Yeah, they're over here. Look how big they got.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Wow.
They got so big.
Hi guys. Trying to hover around the heat lamp.
Yep. They're like burr.
3 weeks ago we could put these in our pocket.
Yep.
And now they're definitely big enough to hold their own against the mom and dad ducks. Hi. What you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to get this heat plate resituated. This is buried underneath a bunch of...
All following their leader. Going for a little swim. Their bills are like changing color. The one brown one with a mohawk.
Oh, look at them, like, with the warm water.
Oh, is it warm water?
Yeah, it's warm. I'm gonna try to fish this cord out through the back so it doesn't have to be just flailing in there.
Yeah, that'd be good.
And then L&M didn't have any straw or hay, so I ended up getting this box from Walmart.
All for like rabbits and gerbils
Yeah,
and stuff.
But it's like the hay is like nicer for bedding than the soft stuff, but they need a whole new floor of hay because it's all wet. Look at them get their feathers. Oh.
They looked out. They're lucky we've had like the warmest Minnesota winter ever, because otherwise, normally we'd
You
have.
should look in that corner. She has an egg buried in the corner there.
And it's buried. Oh, there it is. I see. There. Just the ones there?
I think it's just the one egg.
Well, this is good. They should have enough feathers, hopefully, by the time it gets below 0, and they'll know what to do with the heat lamps. We had 2 more baby ducks hatch.
But those went to my coworker
Yeah, but we gave them to some coworkers.
for Christmas, and they're pretty pumped.
Do we have any more that are going to hatch?
There's one more in there.
Is it actually growing?
Yeah. Just one.
Oh boy.
I haven't checked on it though recently.
Hey guys. Yeah, it's soggy in here right now. because of all the rain that we've been getting. Mom and Dad duck were kind of mean to the babies, but now that they're bigger, it's not so bad.
Oh shoot, did I just bury that?
You bury the egg?
No, I had a, oh, there it is. The box opener.
Oh. And just like that, the water is all gross again.
Yep.
I think the main thing that we're just doing, or mainly Michael's doing, is just trying to get enough hay here so that way they're not sitting on wet ground. And then also making sure we got enough areas to block the wind from when the snow comes and
Yep.
it starts getting really cold. But we added a heat lamp over there because some of the ducks were not going inside the house. And at the same time, the big ducks needed a heat lamp. We actually had a situation where the big ducks were laying eggs in front of the entrance to the hut. And so the baby ducks got kicked out, kind of. So that's why now they have two places to go.
So here's the egg.
That was inside the bin?
No, that was underneath the hay there.
Oh, did you see that there's another one over there?
Where?
To the right of that jug?
Oh!
That's the one I thought you meant.
No!
I thought that was the one you meant you want me to record. Well,
No, we have two more.
Mama's ticked.
Oh,
Don't you take my eggs.
she's a terrible mom. First thing she did when she saw her babies was try to drown them. So it's like, well, you know, if you ever are feeling bad about being a mom, ducks are way worse at it.
Yep, next 10 days in the forecast are going to be high 20s to low 30s, so we're still not going to be that cold. So probably going to be either a long winter or a mild winter.
You gotta find me some really flat bricks because they did not have bricks at O&M.
Okay, we can do that. You can do that. These bigger ducks just love grazing.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Calm yourselves. It's just hay.
They're all pumped up. They're checking out their fresh hay. Oh my gosh, they are so excited.
Heck yeah.
They can eat some of it. It's nice and comfy, nice and dry. Oh my gosh, they are super excited.
I know that it sucks because it's like nobody had hay except for Walmart that came in these boxes.
Oh no, they got separated. Alright, sorry guys, we'll move back. They like to follow that big one over there. Oh man.
Oops.
We'll have to see how that's gonna work out.
I don't know.
I feel like this ain't gonna be super good.
I don't think so either.
Because it's just gonna soak up all the wetness and start molding probably. Well, we'll have an update on this in a couple weeks.
Everybody needs hay and I guess there's none.
So we're trying sawdust.
Oh, they're almost cracking. You hear that?
Yep.
Almost cracking.
Yeah, there we go. They definitely like to be next to each other. Alright, well, hopefully by next time it'll be New Year's and we'll have some snow. And hopefully we'll be ready.
Be nice.
Any final words?
No, I'm just happy that the ducks are doing good, and this is like one of my favorite things to do, is just be out here with the animals, with the ducks. It's a real sense of joy.
They're a lot more fun than what I would have thought.
There.
Kind of a last minute adjustment because we ran into an issue where the water...
The big water dish, the one I have over by the house, and we're going to get it.
Yeah, there's a big water dish that fills itself up, but it has to be completely level. And then the other issue is as the water gets spilt from them jumping in the water, it makes a big soggy frozen mess. And so the rocks will give it a little bit of drainage, we're hoping. What are you eating? That one in the back was eating something.
So yeah, this thing has to be level.
Oh, I see. So that way we don't have to refill it all the time.
Yep.
Because we're coming out here, well, Michael's coming out here several times a day refilling it with water. Because they go through it so fast, but then they also go swimming in it. This
but
one...
if I had... And this is heated.
But this one they can't swim in.
Stays
so
level.
And it'll stay clean and it'll refill as it goes down.
So,
And it's heated too, so that way it won't freeze. That should keep them watered for a whole day at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like for the days I work 12 hours, just come out here in the morning and make sure it's plugged in and working.
Yep.
And give them that fresh bowl of warm water over there.
So we'll see how that goes. I think the other big thing I was worried about too with this enclosure is that if the snow would collect on this chicken wire and then the roof would collapse, but I think we're gonna be okay. I don't think nothing's gonna happen.
Well, last year with how much snow we got.
Yeah. With this year, this is a record-breaking warm winter for us. So the ducks got lucky.
Yeah, they got like really lucky. They got really, really lucky. Look, that looks nice for now.
Yeah, looks perfect.
But
See how it goes. See what works, what doesn't. They seem happy.
that's kind of.
Oh boy, there's a lot of worms there.
Well, it's fair. If I dump it there, they'll come back to the spot. Wander off the spot.
Yeah. Oh no, underneath the truck!